This is what my son was supposed to do when he got home from school. This was his chore, to clean the kitchen. And he didn't do it. So, my husband came up with the idea to go upstairs and wake him up out of his sleep to say, hey, I need for you to go somewhere with me. In line. I got him up out of his sleep, making him put on his coat and shoes, clothes, everything. But it's really to come down and wash dishes. Here they come. Well, you look sleepy. And now, this is he. He's fully dressed, right out of bed. They're not going anywhere. You forgot to do that. So, you need to do that. And I bet you won't forget to do this next time. Now, would you? You were sleeping so good.